Hey everyone, how's it going? Just a quick video here. I got to take Mrs. Wrenching to a doctor's appointment, and so I'm just waiting for her to come out of the house. I took the rest of the day off today. So last night we were driving, had to bring my granddaughter home. It's like an hour and a half ride one way, and it was pouring rain. All of a sudden I got a check engine light on. I'm driving a Caravan, an 08 Grand Caravan 3.8 liter. I haven't checked it or anything yet. So I figured I'd go over this real quick and show you. I know I've done it many times in the past, but let me show you real quick how to do the key cycle. Now, what do I mean by the key cycle? On certain Chrysler products, you could do a key cycle of on, off, on, never starting it, and it'll actually display the codes in the print or in the odometer. Let me show you. So here we go. Key is in the ignition, and I'm going to just cycle it. Ready? On, off, on, off, on. P0325. Sorry about the sun glare there. And then done. Okay, so that's it. I'm not positive. I think P0325 is a knock sensor code. Now last night, yeah, I was putting your armrest down. Sorry about that. Last night it was pouring out, and could I have gotten water in the connector? It's possible. Most likely it's probably a failed knock sensor. I don't know. The car runs fine. I drove it to work this morning. I drove it home, no issues. We finished bringing my granddaughter home and drove back with zero issues. So I'm thinking I don't hear any detonation or anything. That's what a knock sensor is for. So, the fact that I don't hear anything, I'm thinking it's going to be fine. I'm going to drive it for a little bit and see what happens. I got to do an oil change to this also, so probably when I go do an oil change, I'll inspect the knock sensor. I'm not even sure where it's located. I don't recall. I think it's on the left-hand side of the block, which is the front of the car, because it's a transverse-mounted engine, and the belts are on the passenger side. So left-hand side of the block will be up towards the radiator. Right-hand side of the block will be up towards the firewall. So, like I said, what I'll probably do is when I go to do an oil change, I'll inspect that and see what's going on. But if the light happens to go off by itself after a while, that means the code is no longer there. It's no longer, the condition to set the code is no longer present. That's what that means. So I'm just waiting for Mrs. Wrenching to get out of the house so we can go. She can't drive just yet. She has to get clearance, but everything's going. So yeah, so that's it. All right, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you already hit that like button, if you could, please subscribe. Oh, one thing, if you're doing a key cycle, let's say you don't have a way of clearing the light. Disconnecting the battery sometimes works, sometimes does not. I have yet to figure out any reasoning why it wouldn't just clear the light. Sometimes the computer will store it in memory even if it has no power going to it. So sometimes you just have to wait for it either to go out on its own, or you have to have it cleared by a scanner or a code reader or something along those lines. So, but anyway, yeah, so that's it. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching. And driving down the road, I just realized I didn't have a check engine light. I haven't done anything. I didn't change anything. I didn't even look into it yet, and it went off. So whatever it was a fluke through the light. I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about it. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that before I actually put this video up. So all right. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.